So you want to know what business networking is? Well, in this quick video, I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself. Trust me, if I can learn business networking, so can you. And I'll get into a quick explanation of what business networking is. This is video number 1 in a 5-part series, so make sure you watch all the videos. Here we go. Short and sweet video. Make sure you watch till the end. Great ideas in this video.
Okay, so real quick about me. It's the only joke I purposely put in here. I have a PhD from what's called an automobile university. If you're not laughing now, you're not going to laugh at all in the next 40 minutes. I worked for Eastman Kodak years ago, servicing copiers in the 90s. I listened to around 9,000 or 10,000 hours. Brian Tracy, Zig Ziglar, Jim Rohn, Bob Proctor, you name it, I own it. Spent 70 grand on CDs. My friend goes, "Are you crazy? 70 grand on CDs? Are you nuts?" Yeah, they're out smoking pot and doing all other stuff. I've made millions and millions of dollars from those CDs, so I'm not crazy. I've also read over 500 books. The average college graduate doesn't 90%, 97 point something percent of all college grads never dirty the door of a bookstore after they graduate from college. That's when I started my education. So I probably have 5 or 6 college degrees from what I did in my car and the books I've read. But I didn't just read it. Here's the thing. You've never met a billionaire librarian because it takes a little bit more than just having the information. It's all there where they work. You got to do something with it. I'm a go-getter and I did something with it. I was not a natural at networking. I had to learn it. Everything can be learned. We didn't know how to speak when we were born. We learned it. Everything can be learned. People go, "Rick, I can't be like you. I don't have the energy you do." I am an introvert. My wife's right there. You can ask her. As soon as I leave here and go back in the car, I'm going to sit in my backyard for 3 or 4 hours, smoke cigars, and not talk to anybody.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you're getting something out of it, please like, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching. Here we go.
But I have a passion and a desire to teach this crazy thing called networking because everybody thinks this is networking. Hi, my name's Rick.
Hi, I'm Karen.
Everybody thinks networking is, "Hi, this is what I do. Hi, this is what I do." I want you to understand, if you're talking, you're marketing. If you're talking, you're marketing. If you're handing out a business card, you're marketing. If you're handing out flyers or telling people about a website, you're marketing. You are not networking. You will not get referrals from that. If you're talking, you're marketing. If you're listening and finding people, other people that they can meet, that's part of networking. If people go, "I network all that." "Rick, you teach networking. You made millions of dollars doing that." Yes. "But I network all that. Hand out my business card." "What are you going to teach me about handing out my business card?" I can't teach you anything about that because that's called marketing. So I just want to make very clear, if you're handing out your card, you're not a networker. I just want to make very clear on that. I'm very passionate about this topic, about 10,000 hours of study just in the topic of how to get referrals.
Hey, thanks again for watching. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, and give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions about networking, want me to cover a certain type of video for you, just put it down in the comments. Thanks again for watching. There should be 2 more videos right here for you to watch. Keep on networking. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.